Ryan Little.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is basically part 2 of the plucking video that I did. I'm just basically showing how I did the baby hairs and just how I do baby hairs in general. So first, I'm starting out with parting out the baby hairs that I want, well, the hair that I want to be the baby hairs. That's what I'm parting out right now. Just a thin layer on both sides. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and just thin out these baby hairs just by plucking them. When I say plucking them, I'm just literally just plucking them, and I'm plucking them down just to make things look more natural. I'm basically just thinning out these baby hairs just so they're not too thick, and like I said, so it can look more natural. And I'm just using this water to tame the hairs behind what are going to be the baby hairs, just like so everything looks more neat, and basically kind of molding it. You can do this with foam if you'd like to. I mean, I'm going to follow up with foam anyway, so. So alright, now I'm trimming the baby hairs. You saw me start with an eyebrow razor, but my eyebrow razors are dull, like literally all of them. So going back in with the scissors, I feel like this much better. I like using the scissors much better. If I don't have an extra sharp razor, then scissors work perfectly fine. So right here, I'm going in with the foam. This is Nairobi's foaming lotion. Basically putting that all over the hair, well, all over the front. And like I said, I followed the water up with the foam in the back. Again, I'm just molding the hairs. And I like to mold the back of the hair first before doing the baby hairs, just so everything flows together more naturally and more easily. Alright, let's start on these baby hairs. So as you can see, I'm basically covering the whole front in the foam and just letting the hair flow where it wants to go. Like, I'm using this comb very, very lightly. Like, I'm not using that much pressure. Basically, like, I'm just letting the hair guide me pretty much. Wherever I feel like the hair needs to go, it'll tell me it needs to go there. Okay, that don't make sense, but yeah. If it's easier, I'm creating little seeds. Like, you can see that more on this side that I'm doing right here. I'm literally just like going in like a semicircle motion basically, and like I'm using my hand to basically to follow up to make sure the hair is going where I need it to go, you know. Well, I'm doing that as I see fit. You can see me doing that right here. And right here, I'm cutting off the ear tab. I'm starting from the back, and I'm not really cutting straight. I'm kind of cutting diagonal, but you do not want to cut too much of the lace. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. Just cut the ear tab off. That's what I did. I just cut the ear tab off, but I do kind of do it diagonally just so things can lay more naturally. When it comes to hair, you just do things as you see fit. This a bit. So just like anytime I'm starting my baby hairs or anytime I'm doing my baby hairs, after plucking, I went ahead and trimmed it, and then went ahead and followed up with the foam and molded that side of the baby hairs. And as you can see, I'm manipulating the hair. Well, my hand is helping me manipulate the hair to go where I want it to go. You know, not always the comb is going to do what you want it to do, or the hair's not going to do what you want it to do. So sometimes you're going to need help. And alright, now I'm starting on the other side. When I first started this side out, I didn't really like how it was coming out. You're going to see me go ahead and fix it. But for right now, I'm just basically doing what I did on the other side. Just molding the baby hair. Just, you know, letting the hair flow to wherever I feel as though it should go. But yeah, as you can see, I was low-key having problems with this side. I was not liking how it was coming out, but I was still trying to, you know, still trying to mold those baby hairs. But again, you're gonna see me fix that, you know, throughout the video. Not throughout the video, but it's gonna come up. You're gonna see me fix it. Get to it. And right now I'm cutting off the other side of the ear tab on this side. I'm pretty sure I started from the front. It really doesn't matter which side you start from. Really want to start from the front of the lace or the back of the lace to cut out the ear tabs. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you're not cutting off lace pretty much, or just not too much lace. Again, if you do decide, you know, to cut some lace off, go ahead and cut in a diagonal motion. But if you just want to cut the ear tabs off, that's completely fine. And I don't know if I explained this, but if I did, again, cutting the ear tabs off makes things lay more naturally. Like, your hair will lay more flat, and it'll look more natural instead of you having that bulky side of at least at the side of your head. It's like you can't even show that side if you have the ear tabs over there. Like, as you can see, like, the hair flows so much more naturally without the ear tabs. Alright, and this is where I fixed that side. So again, I didn't like how that was looking, so I just went ahead and parted that out again, plucked it again. You're gonna see me trim it again and just go ahead and do the baby hairs again. I feel as though these baby hairs were natural baby hairs. You know, if you want more natural baby hairs, then I would say pluck more and cut more hair off, like lengthwise. I feel like the longer your baby hairs are, the more unnatural it starts to look. And I just want y'all to know, if you see something that's not looking right when you're doing your hair, or, you know, whatever the case may be, don't hesitate to go and fix whatever you feel like needs to be fixed, or go and touch up whatever you feel like needs to be touched up. Because at the end of the day, it's a learning progress, it's a process, and fixing your mistakes can be part of the process. As you can see, I was low-key struggling with this side as well. The baby hairs are too long on this side. That's why it's not flowing the way that I want it to. You're going to see me right here trim the baby hairs. I don't know if I plucked these. I don't think I did. But I don't want to say that too soon. Maybe I did. I did. Just a bit. But yeah, so plucking, I'm going to trim it and then go back in and do the baby hairs again. Alright, and at this point, I was liking how everything was looking, and yeah. Okay, so my phone ended up dying after after filming the baby hairs. After that, I just sprayed it with freeze spray, and hair's still kind of wet. But this is the end results. And this is the hair after everything was dry, you know, looking nice and neat. But as always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch out for my next video.
Slayed by Kimby Wigs.